We've been in this site for the past 15 years. When we first moved in here, nearly 6,000 pallet spaces, 65,000 square feet, loads of picking areas. That all changed about 4 or 5 years ago when we just grew and grew and grew. Having your legs all right? I'm all right, mate. To you? Yes, sir. As you can see here, we've got overspill of export deliveries, which we are really looking forward to having specific areas where we can do all this. Currently we have to store them down the aisles, which causes problems with picking, causes problems with replanning. So here we have the busiest packing area. It's no longer efficient. It used to be efficient when we had enough space and enough room, but now we are just so busy with the amount of orders coming through that the amount of people we've got working down here is really challenging. And what we do is we feed the goods through and then through into the dispatch area. In the new facility, we will have on tier 1 of the mezzanine, there will be 16 pack benches, all fed by conveyors, and there will be 4 picking benches on the second tier, and there will be another 8 on the floor. Last year we got to a stage where we doubled what we expected to do out of this site, so we are now ready to move and really excited about the opportunity.
That we can see here are 99% complete. The big thing that's missing out of that plan at the moment is all of the furniture, which has been delivered. It's sat in a warehouse and it will go into the space in the next 2 weeks. On the asymmetric views, the space that you can see here, right away from the reception to the meet and greet and all these meeting rooms, which are fantastic, and the client showroom, they're all built. We've got a few weeks left to go on the project, a few challenges to overcome. We've got key pieces of plant and equipment that still haven't arrived on site. We've got to get that plant and equipment lifted up onto the mezzanine areas and installed and commissioned in time for the 22nd of December. Right now that isn't on site. If I need to go and collect it myself, I will. If we don't hit that date, we're into Christmas. A month's delay, we've got to make it happen. One way or another, it will happen and we'll hit the dates.
Particular operational area, the Mechalux racking is now in place, the sprinkler system's tested and commissioned, Beeswift are operationally using the area. They're not only putting products on the shelf, but they're now doing in-house training, which is good to see. On the middle deck here, we've got the CSL conveyor system, which obviously will be used for picking and packing for Beeswift when they go live. That will also be ready in a couple of days. In the very far background, we've got the operational office space. It's not furnished yet, but it has been decorated, doors swinging and ceilings up in the air. On the top floor we've got racking, that's going well, and it will complement the Mechalux racking on this side. Right in front of us here we've got a lean lift and a pallet lift. They're very essential to Beeswift again in terms of getting product up and down and stored correctly. You can see the pipe work that we're finishing off to test and commission finally for the sprinkler system. And in the far background, we're just finishing off really in terms of the office space. Inside is going fantastically well. We're just doing a few alterations to the wall outside and the cat ladder. In terms of the externals, the sprinkler base and the system is now in place. That will also be complete by the end of the week. And we're doing the final touches in terms of external work, such as landscaping, to ensure Beeswift have got the best site they have.